So today I'm going to be taking this out for a data log pool. I wanted to give you guys some content in the meantime. So as you can see, I set up the intake a little bit different and took the hood off because the temps here in Texas are super hot today. I'll show you on the data log before we even start it up so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is how hot it is here today. I haven't even started the car. My air intake temperature sensor is already reading 104 degrees and engine coolant is already reading 103. This hasn't even started yet. So it's really hot today. But we can't drive it around all the time without the hood, especially during rain season where it likes to rain and storm a lot. But we do need to get more air rammed in here. And this isn't exactly the method a lot of people like, the going filterless method. It does work though. It does work really well. This will allow air to be rammed in and it'll cool the supercharger down a little bit. But because it's hot and the long air intake wasn't quite doing exactly what I wanted to, so you can see how it has like a little lip or a step up, that restricts the flow of air, and it goes from a 3-inch to a 2.5-inch pipe. This filter was shoved all the way on because that's how I had it shoved all the way on, and it wasn't being able to breathe. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out for a little data log and see how everything's doing. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Alright, so after that little data log run, I decided to stop over by Aubrey's. You guys can check out his beautiful NSX, but wanted to show you how awesome this thing is. It's beautiful. But yeah, the car's doing pretty good. But we're gonna go ahead and do another data log run on the way home. There it is, the data log pool. Hit 10 pounds of boost. The air intake temperature was starting to get up there, but it's not near as bad as it was before we did our cooling mods. Before we did the cooling mods, it was around 240 to 250 on air intake temps, which everyone should know that's too high. My coolant temps are at 190. So you would think no more than 190 degrees for air intake temps, but apparently my engine has other plans. So that's why we're just gonna run it like this at the dyno to get as much cool air as possible. We're gonna set an ice bag on the supercharger to make it as cold as possible before the pool, and we'll pull it off whenever we do the run. We might leave it there. We'll see what AGN wants us to do. But yeah, so the hood's definitely gonna stay off when we do the pool, and everything's starting to do pretty good. But as soon as I got back after that last pool, I had Michael jump on real quick and adjust the tune, and now VTEC is engaged at a different spot, but we won't know how to fully get this cam broken until we're on the dyno, because that's the best way to do it, because right where the power starts to dip off, that's where you'd move VTEC to activate, and it'll carry the power all the way through the power band. But this thing does really good. It pulls pretty hard. But yeah, definitely huge shout out to Michael for his awesome tuning he does. If anyone is interested, definitely hit him up. His information is in the description of this video and all my other videos. He is a wizard whenever it comes to these tunes. He can hop on, knock them out, and usually on the first couple pulls, he's already got it dialed in to where it needs to be. It's incredible how good he is. Him and Eric from AGN are awesome at what they do. Huge shout out to both of them. Obviously, I'm not going to drive around like this because, you know, bugs will fly in there or whatever. But, yeah, it's definitely coming along. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my wife's channel, she's going to be making a camshaft lamp out of this. We're currently working on that video as well. So definitely stay tuned. Her link will be in the description. It's more DIY. Definitely check out her channel. She has a couple cool crafts, and we're going to start doing more videos on her channel real soon. So definitely subscribe. But that's basically it for this video. Just wanted to get you guys some content before the dyno. At the dyno, we might disconnect the downpipe so it's running open header, because with a bigger cam, putting in more air, you need to get the air out faster. We might upgrade the header design to a more effective header here soon. Also, the intake system is not going to stay like this permanently. There's a subscriber that lives in Killeen, Texas. He reached out to me and he has a design for an intake that drops the intake temps pretty dramatically. So that is eventually what's going to go on here. But as soon as we link up, I'll make sure to do a video, show you exactly the design that he's talking about, and give him a shout out as well. But we're going to go with a water meth injection kit. It's water methanol injection from Snow Performance. It's going to be their level 1 kit. It's going to help these intake temps big time, and we're going to make way more power. So we have a lot of things planned still. I know it's been kind of slow on the channel. I'm sorry about that. I'm just not rich. I can't afford to do videos every single day, because doing car stuff every single day, I'd have to have parts and money to do that. So bear with me. I promise it'll get better, and we'll get more videos out for you soon. So thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. Be sure to hit the like button, drop a comment below, share the videos, and subscribe if you're new here. So I'll see you guys in the next one. And as I like to say, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.